Pwede nga ba magsakay ng tao dito sa likod ng pickup kahit may canopy? So according sa Republic Act 4136 Section 32, hindi dapat mag-e-exceed yung pasahero dun sa nakarehistro na maximum passenger capacity. So tulad nitong pickup na to, up to 5 passengers lang yung kaya niyang i-carry. So pag 6 or more, hindi na pwede. At ayon naman sa Section 51 of the same Republic Act, bawal mag-hitchhike or sumakay yung tao outside of the vehicle. Outside of the vehicle meaning sa labas ng cabin kung nasaan yung upuan at yung seatbelts. So kahit may canopy man yan, itong likod ng pickup nyo, bawal pa rin po. Considered as outside of the vehicle pa rin yan. And last reason is for safety. Obviously, design naman ang pickup bed to carry cargo and not people or tao. And wala naman diyang upuan at saka mga seatbelts para protektahan yung tao in case of an accident like nabangga or nag-roll over yung sasakyan. So,